Okie dokie. Today we have a Bellini cocktail. So what I have here are some peach slices, at least four medium size ripe peaches that I sliced up and put into a blender. If peaches are out of season, just go with frozen. And basically you want to blend these until they form a puree. Okay, so that's what you're looking for with the peaches. And then basically, all you want to do is cover this and then let it chill out in the fridge for 1 hour at the very least. And then you want to add some of the peach puree that's been chilling out. And then you want to add at least 2 to 4 ounces of Prosecco, or any sparkling wine will do. And one thing I will say I wish I'd have done this time around is I wish I'd have made these cocktails and then put them back in the fridge to let them chill out. Just a thought for the future. Then you want to give this just a little stir, and that's it. A Bellini cocktail. Done.